So I've got a confession to make. I love candy floss. Unfortunately, candy floss is one of those things you really only get in the fair. I'm sure you can buy it in the stores, but I've never really gone out my way to look for it. So when I saw this home candy floss maker, I was very intrigued. Now, apparently, you can make candy floss at home with it. Now, this machine, it's actually not that expensive. This one is the Sentik candy floss maker. It cost me £21.99, which is about $28, so really cheap. And if you get some decent candy floss out of it, I think, you know, if you've got kids or, well, you don't really have to have kids, to be honest. If you're an adult as well and you love candy floss, this might be a good addition for the kitchen, or for any party, or, well, for any occasion really. Basically on the box, usual stuff, includes 10 bamboo sticks. Just add sugar, not included obviously, that's fine. Includes detachable dishwasher proof splash guard and sugar spoon, ideal for birthday, weddings, New Year's Eve and all that stuff. Home machine for making candy floss at home. Yeah, alright, cool. Let's crack it open, let's have a look. See how good this candy floss machine really is. So, instruction manual. Then get the actual machine itself. I'll have to tip this to the side. Oh, they pack that tight, don't they? There we go. Nothing else in the box. You get the bamboo sticks and a big red spoon. The actual candy floss machine itself, all wrapped up neatly and nicely. Put this to the side. Oops. Okay, don't want to break it yet. That is the machine itself. So, first impressions, I have no idea what I'm doing. This doesn't make any sense. See, who needs anything? I'm sure that goes in there. Yeah, it does. And then that clips in there. That's got to be it, right? It's a bit flimsy, I'll give it that. I mean, it's all a bit, like, it feels like it might break if you put too much pressure on the plastics, but I'm gonna just go with the flow and ease it in a bit. Make sure it's all clipped in, which it is. Nice. I'm assuming that's it. So, looks alright, doesn't look too bad. It's got little suction cups at the bottom here that, you know, keep it from moving about. So where do you add the sugar? Let's just have a quick look. So, I'm gonna go grab some sugar. Alright, so I've got myself some nice sugar, as you can see. Standard white sugar. I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, it's already going. Alright, so let's leave it to 3 to 5 minutes. 1:52 now. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 4 minutes, please. Setting the alarm. And now we sit and wait. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. It's really heated up. You can actually see the heating element. Hopefully, if I tip it a bit, you can see in there the heating element, and it's really bringing off some heat. Now, essentially, I'm going to grab myself one of these bamboo sticks, and I think you just pour the sugar in there. Yeah, you just pour some sugar in and it creates candy floss. Alright, somehow I feel it's spinning so quick it's just gonna like throw. Do you turn the machine off as you pour it in? Because I feel that if I put the sugar in, it's just gonna, you know, launch piping hot sugar into my face, which then stop the extractor head and oh yeah, you gotta, alright, yeah, so you do have to stop it. Don't put the sugar in while it's spinning. So I've stopped it. Just let it stop. Come on, come on. All right, that should do. Let's just pour some sugar in. All right, I think that should be enough. Maybe a bit more. Okay, and then this can't be right. Oh God, maybe if I just move it about a bit. All right. Oh, look at this. All right, so you let it build up, I'm assuming. Oh wow, it actually works. Now, color-wise, it's obviously going to be white candy floss because it's white sugar. I don't know how they make different colors, but I assume. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. I assume they just add food coloring into. Oh, this just works nice. Ooh. It's like Spider-Man getting excited. Are you messing with me? Yeah, look at that. I think you're going to turn it a bit like this. I'm sure there's a bit of an art to it, and I'm sure people who have experience using candy floss machines are probably saying, what the hell are you doing, mate? You're just knotting it. But hey, at the end of the day, if it's edible candy floss, I don't care. This is amazing. Oh my God. Look at that. Starting to get the hang of it. Just gotta spin it around. Oh wow. Doesn't produce loads very fast, but it produces enough for, you know, a family to have a bit of excitement. And to be fair, this is just pure sugar, so you really shouldn't be eating so much of this stuff. Alright, I'm going to turn it off. I think that's enough candy floss for this test. Alright, now it's the taste test. I mean, it feels like candy floss. That's proper candy floss. That is proper candy floss. Oh yeah. Let's take it off the thing. Yeah. Proper candy floss is nice. Yeah, I like it. I mean, what more can you ask for? It does what it says. It creates candy floss. Pretty good. I mean, 21, 22 pounds at home, you know, if you've got kids, they'll love this. Obviously supervise them when you're making it, because this does get extremely hot. If anyone touches that, they'll get a nasty burn. So there is some dangers involved to it, but let's be real, you know, you'll be alright. Not entirely sure what the big spoon is. I'm assuming you can actually pour the sugar in with that. I don't know. But it creates proper candy floss. It tastes good. I mean, this was like a really quick test, but it did produce an alright amount. I'm sure if I filled up more sugar, it would produce more quicker. And as the machine warms up even more and more, the candy floss will come out bigger, etc. But I'm very impressed for the price. I mean, it's so cheap, so damn cheap, and you get decent candy floss out of it. I think kids will love it, adults will love it, anyone at a party will love it. It's a cool thing to have. Yeah, definitely. I'll be leaving a link to this in the description below. Pick one up if you like it, or if you want candy floss, it's definitely a good way to go. I'm sure there are more expensive, better, bigger machines out there that can produce a lot more. But for the average person at home, you know, who's gonna crack it out maybe once every few months, it does the job very nicely. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Go check it out. Go pick one up if you like. Do hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you never miss any of my new uploads. Got a lot more cool stuff like this to unbox and review, so it'll be really cool if you did subscribe and get notified so you can, well, never miss any of my new uploads. But other than that, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.